Yung sinabi mo sa kung kahapon.
Napangit kami.
Something like that, but like,
Na bakit si Yen hindi naliligo araw-araw?
you said that though.
Huh?
Or you the one who said that. Maybe something like, ano sinabi mo sa amin sa Pumula, fans are tweeting us about it. When you said something bad about us.
Said that mabaho ang paa ko.
And then you should be like, we treated you as friends. We did this, we did everything we do for you, Les. We did
Yeah.
Go.
Pero ano nga. Pero before that, set Malacanang.
Nagsabi na sila dalawa.
Dalawa na.
Go.
Hindi kasi malapit naman eh.
Go.
There you go, call.
89 pa 400 na oh.
Call.
Did you save it?
Yeah, I said it.
No, you didn't.
Pero ano nga sasabihin?
You're like,
Sinabi
paano,
na hindi ako nagbabay ng utang na dito.
no, he said something bad about us.
There's something
So walang
very
ano.
specific.
Walang here. Just keep accusing him, saying, I was there really being negative.
Calling him.
Have to act mad.
Kuya Lance, ano yung sinasabi mo?
Yeah.
Kuya Lance,
Hoy. Lance. Ashley. Be honest with us. Kasi sobrang galit kami sa'yo. Sobrang,
kasi parang, kasi ano,
were you saying something bad about us on your Kumula yesterday? On your live yesterday? Kasi sobrang iinis na kami sa'yo. Like,
kasi naging mabuti naman kaming kaibigan eh.
yeah, exactly. And then like,
Ako naging mabuti naman, like, tinrit talaga kita bilang kuya. Yun nga, yun sa live nga. Why don't you tell us?
why don't you just be honest with us instead of hiding it? Like,
Oo nga.
then why do you keep covering it up? Why can't you just tell the truth na?
About yesterday, kasi ang sakit lang kasi. Ang sakit kasi.
Just why would you do such a thing?
I thought, kala ko magkaibigan tayo, kala ko tinuring mo ako kay kapatid.
Yeah, obviously not yan. Kasi why would he have the nerve to do that on Kulu Live, diba?
Fans are telling us talaga.
Fans are telling us.
Oh.
You can even check Kumu right now. Check Kumu.
It's a prank call. So you should send Malacanang. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi, nako, hi, Starman.
Bakit mo ba sinabi yun kasi?
Wala nga,
Ang galing.
wala akong sinasabi masama.
Hindi, charot-charot lang. I love you, Kuya Lance! Iiyak ka na ba? Oh! Ang cute. Nagpanik ka siya. Sorry kung meron na. Ganun na siya, di ba?
Pag-English siya.
Oo.
I didn't even do anything.
Ang cute. Kaya mag-send ka ng Malacanang. Sige, thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay. Why? You want? Okay now.
Ikaw pa na.
Okay. Guys, that's it for today. Sorry to
Pagkain?
kill the joy, but
May pagkain.
focus mo. That's all for today na.
Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Grabe, 392 pa. Ano na po yan?
Yeah.
Lahat 399 po na.
Yeah!
100k diamonds! Ang galing.
Okay guys, bye!
Guys,
See you next time.
maraming salamat sa efforts na binigay niyo sa amin ngayon. Like yung mga pag-send niyo ng gifts. And sana natuwa kayo sa ginawa namin kalokohan, which is nang damay pa kami.
Yeah.
And then thank you kay Lee, kay Krisa, kay Maring Kare, kay Kuya Lance. Thank you dahil...
Yes, thank you.
Oo.
Silly.
Thank you, Kylie.
Oo. Lee.
Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Also, follow us on our social media.
Yes.
Instagram, Elaine Ashley.
And then my Instagram is Diane Curate, but my Twitter is Ha.
And then also follow the official Star Hut ABS-CBN page. Yeah, I do. Okay,
I
bye!